Alright, let's look at the homework 3.2, problem number 10. An investment of $12,000 earns interest at an annual rate of 7% compounded continuously. Then part A, find the instantaneous rate of change, which means we want to find the derivative, and after 3 years. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's see, amount after t years, so A of t is going to be 12,000 times e to the r, which is 0.07 t. Alright, so let's take the derivative of this guy. Alright, so we have, if you take the derivative of this, right, so it's 12,000 is just the constant, put that there, right? Then when you have e to the 0.07 to the tth power, so we have exactly the same thing, right? But you have to multiply by natural log of e to the 0.07, right? And which is going to be, alright, so this is actually the same thing as natural log of e to the 0.07 is simply, oops, I want a different color, simply 0.07. Right, so this is going to be, let's see, so 7 times, let's see, 2 is 14, and 7 times 1, so it's 84. Right, so it's let's see, I'm gonna take away 1, 2 zeros, so it's gonna be 0. Right, so 840 e to the 0.07 t. Alright, so what they're looking for, part A, is a prime of after 3 years, so plug in 3. Right, so it's 840 e to the 3, so it's a 0.0 multiplied by 3 to 1, so actually 0.21. Right, I'm gonna here 0.21. Alright, so let's compute that using the GeoGebra. Alright, so we need to compute 840 e to the 0.21. Right, so it's a 1036.29. So here, 1036.29. Right, is that right? 3629. Alright, so let's type it in. 1036.29. Alright, let's check. Alright, we got that. Alright, find the instantaneous rate of change of the amount in the account at the time amount is equal to 12,000. So that's the beginning. So you know that here we're looking at a prime of 0. Right? So it's going to be, so if you plug in 0 here, you have 840. Because the e to the 0 is 1. So let's type it in. 840. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.